and welcome. मैं हूं तिशे
और मैं हूं आराधना।
And you're watching another exciting episode of Planet Bollywood.
एक ऐसा शो जहां हम करते हैं बॉलीवुड की हर गॉसिप को टर्न ऑन।
Okay, Aradhana, what is your take on all the stories surrounding Suzanne Khan?
Tisha, honestly, I think that she should just come forward and clear the air. Even if she doesn't want to confirm or deny the news, उन्हें मीडिया को speculate करने के लिए नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए।
Okay, in that case, your prayers have been answered.
Oh, great. So, do you have Suzanne commenting on the speculations?
Yes.
So do I have to tell you की story?
Of course, Aradhana, तुम्हारा फर्ज बनता है. You should tell me. But anyways, here's the top story.
फर्ज।
Planet Bollywood.
अर्जुन रामपाल के साथ डेट करने की खबर पर बोली सुजैन खान।
People love to talk about interesting people.
जूम से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत करते हुए सुजैन ने रखा अपना पक्ष।
Take it as a compliment and move on, you know, and that's how it is, I guess.
सुजैन ने कर दिया साफ, उन्हें नहीं पड़ता कोई फर्क। उनकी लाइफ का फंडा है वेरी क्लियर।
Is that what you also thought when you read about this whole, oh, she's getting married, oh, she was going for a date with Arjun and stuff like that?
I think that it's very important to just be very clear in your mind about, you know, yourself. And I think that that's, you know what life is when you're clear.
सुना आपने क्या कहा सुजैन ने? वैसे ये पहली बार नहीं है जब सुजैन ने ऐसा रिस्पॉन्ड किया है। हाल ही में जब उनके शादी करने की खबर आई तो भी उन्होंने दिया था स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। I am a single working mother and my focus is clear. There are some people in this industry who constantly try to malign. This rumor is absolutely false. I choose to ignore such idle talk and wish that intelligent people would too. इस स्टेटमेंट के बारे में जब जूम ने सुजैन से जानना चाहा तो यहाँ भी अपनी सोच बड़े ही सलीके से उन्होंने रख दी सबके सामने।
How come rumors never stay away from you, Susan? But you gave a pretty cool statement on that.
I think that life is, people love to talk about interesting people. So if you're spoken about, then I guess you're interesting and people want to read about you. So take it as a compliment and move on, you know, and that's how it is, I guess. You have to be very, you know, forthright, positive and brave, I think, especially to live in this fishbowl that we live in. So, you know, the ones who are strong and courageous, they move and they don't take any of the, you know, the negativity to their heart.
दाद देनी पड़ेगी सुजैन की, वो नेगेटिविटी में भी ढूंढ रही हैं पॉजिटिविटी। तभी तो देखिए ना, अर्जुन के साथ कॉफी पीने जाने की खबरों पर भी वो दे रही हैं अपना ही एक टेक।
Do you miss being anonymous? Like, do you want those moments to come back in your life? You can just go and have coffee with somebody and not get written about?
Yes, I do. Yeah, but it's part of life, and if to be anonymous, then I mean it's a blessing to be known. So I think that I should not say this, and I should be thankful to be known rather than, you know, complain about it, because I'm not a complainer.
मानना पड़ेगा सुजैन को, उन्होंने डायरेक्टली ना सही पर इनडायरेक्टली अपनी लाइफ के फंडे को रख दिया सबके सामने। फरुद्रानी चटोराज, जूम, मुंबई।
तुम्हें हमेशा से शिकायत थी ना कि सलमान कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चंस को इग्नोर कर देते हैं?
हाँ यार, there are a few things which he just doesn't talk about.
Okay then, gear up, because in my next story, Salman Khan will answer everything.
अच्छा, अपनी शादी भी कमेंट करेंगे?
Yup.
Unbelievable. What about Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes.
No way. Amitabh Bachchan?
Positive. And you know how he is known to get into trouble?
Yeah.
सलमान ने उस पर भी कमेंट किया।
No way. Play the story.
Play.
Planet Bollywood.
सलमान खान जहां हो वहां धूम न मचे ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। और फिर से एक बार सलमान खान की प्रेजेंस ने मचा दी हलचल। बात यहाँ हो रही है सलमान की रियलिटी शो की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की, जहाँ सलमान के बड़बोलेपन से बन गई 5 बड़ी हाइलाइट्स। चलिए आपको भी दिखाते हैं ये हाइलाइट्स। हाइलाइट नंबर 1। सबसे पहले बात यहाँ हो रही है शो की, जिसमें सलमान खान डबल ट्रबल पैदा करने वाले हैं कंटेस्टेंट्स के बीच। पर क्या सलमान खान को इंडस्ट्री में किसी ने ट्रबल दी? देखिए इस पे सलमान का क्या था रिएक्शन।
I don't think there's anyone who has troubled me. If there's anybody responsible for my troubles, I think it's, you know, it's my luck, it's my destiny, it's me, it's stuff like that. It's my journey. It's my journey.
हाईलाइट नंबर 2। भले ही सलमान खान के लिए कोई ट्रबल खड़ी ना करता हो, पर एक ऐसा सवाल है जो हर जगह सलमान के लिए मुसीबत पैदा करता है, और वो सवाल है उनकी शादी का। अब बात शादी की हो रही है तो फिर से सलमान को पूछते हैं कि आखिर कब कर रहे हैं वो शादी।
कब शादी करेंगे आप? The eternal question.
What do you think?
Whenever you say, Salman, I'm already in my white dress. Just saying, guys, we all get carried away. Let's take the next question.
No, why you say that? I'm getting carried away right now. प्रेस भी है, स्टेज भी है, शादी वादी का खर्चा भी बढ़ जाएगा. But for how long?
I was thinking for a lifetime. What were you thinking?
No.
We live in India. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं?
शादी लाइफ टाइम के लिए थोड़ी होती है यार. कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हो आप? Not happening.
हाईलाइट नंबर 3। शादी के बाद से हमेशा से कतराते हैं सलमान, तो चलिए फिर से उनके शो से रिलेटेड एक सवाल पूछते हैं, और वो ये है कि बिग बी के जन्मदिन के दिन होगा सलमान खान का शो ऑन एयर। इस पे लेकिन सलमान ने दे दिया डिप्लोमेटिक रिएक्शन।
It's just a coincidence. Nothing was planned like this. But now that it is, we'll take credit for it. Since he was the host, so Raji thought it was only fair to, launch the show on Bachchan Saab's birthday.
Mr. Bachchan comes on the set that day, we'll cut a cake also.
This is our way to say a happy birthday to you, sir.
हाईलाइट नंबर 4। शो की बात आ ही गई है तो ये भी जान लेते हैं कि एक वक्त पर जानी दुश्मन रह चुके शाहरुख खान क्या अब सलमान खान के शो पर अपनी फिल्म प्रमोट करने आ सकते हैं। आखिर ये दोनों स्टार्स दोस्त जो बन गए हैं अब।
No, I don't think he'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. What I'm promoting, I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it as this, not as I would love him and I want him to come on the show and stuff like that, because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there.
हाईलाइट नंबर 5। सलमान ने तो बड़ी आसानी से कह दिया कि शाहरुख जब चाहे उनकी फिल्म सलमान के शो पर प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, इतनी आसानी से जितनी आसानी से वो खुद की लाइव जीते हैं।
मेरे साथ जो है, as you all must have noticed, what I'm with my friends, what I'm in the living room, I'm with everyone. My bedroom is my bedroom. Apart from that, my living room is the country.
सलमान के इसी बेबाक अंदाज ने इस इवेंट में जान डाल दी। फॉर अभिषेक सिंह, ज़ूम, मुंबई।
तुम्हें शिल्पा शेट्टी और राज कुंद्रा की जोड़ी कैसी लगती है?
कैसी लगती है मतलब? आराधना, they are a couple. How does it matter मुझे कैसी लगती है?
Oh God, such a spoil sport.
वैसे तुम्हें शिल्पा और राज की याद कैसे आ गई?
You know what? I spotted them together today, so I was just wondering.
तुम वंडर ही करती रहोगी या तुम्हारे पास कोई स्टोरी भी है?
है ना?
अच्छा, किसके बारे में?
शिल्पा एंड राज. Watch.
Wow.
Planet Bollywood.
हमेशा शिल्पा शेट्टी की तारीफ करने वाले राज कुंद्रा को लगती है किसी दूसरी एक्ट्रेस की बॉडी सबसे फिट। दरअसल रिसेंटली हुए एक इवेंट पर हमने राज कुंद्रा से जानना चाहा कि शिल्पा शेट्टी के अलावा उन्हें दूसरी कौन सी एक्ट्रेस लगती है सबसे फिट। तो सुनिए क्या था उनका जवाब।
Apart from Shilpa, who do you think has the best body?
बोल दो क्योंकि I know.
I'm not allowed to say.
No, what rubbish? That's not true. That's not true. You can be.
My favorite is Deepika Padukone.
वैसे उनके इस जवाब के साथ शिल्पा शेट्टी ने भी किया अग्री और कर दी दीपिका की तारीफ।
She's got a fab body, so yeah, and she's also very healthy.
Well, वैसे आपको बता दें कि ये दोनों यहाँ आए थे to support and celebrate World Heart Day। For अभिषेक सिंह, Zoom, मुंबई।
यार, I must say, I just love Mr. Bachchan.
We all love Mr. Bachchan, but आज इतना special प्यार क्यों?
No, see, I just love everything he does.
A little more clarity?
Okay, so Gujarat Tourism को endorse करने के बाद, now Big B has become the brand ambassador for Maharashtra Tourism also.
Oh.
No, you have to watch it. फिर तुम्हें समझ में आएगा, but I must add, शू वाचे यार.
शू वाचे. वाचे.
Planet Bollywood.
गुजरात के बाद अब बिग बी जुड़ गए हैं महाराष्ट्र से भी टू प्रमोट द टूरिज्म ऑफ द स्टेट अंडर द इनिशिएटिव ऑफ महाराष्ट्र चीफ मिनिस्टर मिस्टर देवेंद्र फडणवीस।
if there is any way in which my services can be utilized, sir and ladies, for the promotion of this state, for the promotion of tourism in this state, I shall be more than happy to do it.
यहाँ Big B also spoke about how one should conduct oneself abroad while he is a tourist outside the country.
So next time when you go out, please bear this in mind, that you are not just representing an individual, you are representing your own country. And hopefully, by your conduct, by your behavior, I want that the foreigner should be able to say, I want to visit the land where this gentleman comes from. And that is how we can propagate our distance.
एक तरफ जहां महाराष्ट्र की टूरिज्म की बात चल रही हो, वहां मुंबई सिटी की एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री कैसे पीछे रह सकती है। अमिताभ बच्चन ने फुल तैयारी दिखाई टू सपोर्ट द प्रमोशन ऑफ टूरिज्म थ्रू हिज वर्क।
Whatever little that I can do in my position as a member of this wonderful fraternity of films, that we make Mumbai city the entertainment city of the world.
सो अब शायद जल्द ही हम एवी को गुजरात की तरह महाराष्ट्र को भी प्रमोट करते हुए देखेंगे स्क्रीन पर। फॉर हार्दिक तन्ना, ज़ूम, मुंबई।
सलमान खान को मस्ती करते हुए देखा है?
Of course, so many times.
Okay, what about him getting angry?
Unfortunately, yes.
कभी इमोशनल होते हुए देखा है?
हाँ, no, actually never. But तुम इतने questions क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
Well, I have something never seen before. Salman Khan getting emotional.
Oh, really? But why?
Guys, take a short break and come right back. I'm going to show it to you after the break.
Arey, tell me at least.
After the break.
Planet Bollywood.
Hello and welcome back. मैं हूँ आराधना.
मैं हूँ तिशे.
And you are watching Planet Bollywood.
Your one-stop shop for Bollywood's biggest gossip.
I am waiting.
For what?
Tishe, come on, show me the Salman story you have.
Okay, ठीक है, देखो. It's very interesting. I'm going to play it for you. But what do I get?
Seriously?
Yes, seriously. What do I get? You're good for nothing. So guys, here you go. Salman Khan getting Jazbati. Watch.
Planet Bollywood.
क्या जज्बाती सवाल लाई हो मैडम आप?
किस सवाल को बता दिया सलमान खान ने जज्बाती? किस सवाल पर दबंग खान के जज्बात जाग उठे? आखिर वो कौन सा सवाल था जिसे सलमान खान ने जज्बाती कहकर टाल दिया और नहीं दिया जवाब?
क्या जज्बाती सवाल लाई हो मैडम आप?
ये एक ऐसा सवाल था जिस पर वादा करके भी सलमान मुकर गए।
आज जो पूछना है आप लोगों को, आप पूछ सकते हैं। एनीथिंग, हर एक सवाल का जवाब देंगे। हर एक सवाल का जवाब देंगे।
अपने इस वादे की लाज नहीं रख पाए दबंग खान। हर सवाल का जवाब दिया पर एक सवाल को टाल गए। चलिए अब आपकी बेचैनी और नहीं बढ़ाते हैं और आपको बताते हैं वो सवाल। दरअसल सलमान से पूछा गया था कि ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन स्टारर जज्बा फिल्म की टीम उनके शो पर आएंगी प्रमोशन के लिए। तो पहले तो सलमान सवाल अनसुना करने का बहाना करने लगे, पर जब उनको सवाल सुनाई दे गया तो उनके मुंह से निकला ये जवाब।
किसकी चीज की?
बाती टीम। जज्बा।
इनको पता था कि ये लास्ट सवाल है। तालियां मैडम के लिए। तालियां मैडम के लिए। क्या जज्बाती सवाल लाई हो मैडम आप? वाह।
देखा आपने कैसे जज्बा के सवाल को अपनी हंसी से दबाने की कोशिश करने में लग गए सलमान खान और सवाल पूछने वाले को देने लगे दाद।
तालियां मैडम के लिए। तालियां मैडम के लिए।
हम समझ सकते हैं सलमान, ऐश्वर्या के नाम ने आपके दिल की किसी कोने में दबी पुरानी यादों को एक बार फिर से शायद ताज़ा कर दिया। फॉर अभिषेक सिंह, ज़ूम, मुंबई।
Aradhana, I'm really looking forward to Meghna Gulzar's Talwar. But you got any buzz around that?
I have heard कि फिल्म के लिए massive research की है.
Oh yes, they have made it really clinical.
Well, I have the Talwar team talking exclusively to Zoom.
That is fantastic. You know, I love listening to stars like Konkana.
Absolutely. So what are we waiting for? Let's watch.
Planet Bollywood.
The poster claims this to be India's most controversial case, and indeed it is. And they claim to reopen it. But also reopening things will reopen the debate. And are you kind of ready to be a part of that debate again?
I was never part of the debate to begin with, and I don't. I think it's excellent if there is a debate now after this film, because you know I feel that this film raises a lot of questions. It shows a lot of. It shows really how, in this particular case, how the judiciary, how the police system, and all of that has worked.
I think when you are doing a movie, especially a movie like this, you kind of are doing your own research. Along with that, I think you also have a lot of information already available. But as characters, when you play, have you intentionally decided in your mind not to come up to a conclusion, like not to decide whether your character was guilty or innocent, because it kind of helps you?
You know, you can't decide that because the script does not let you decide that. The script is designed in such a way and is based on facts that the public already knows. So it's been designed in a very, very detailed and a very sensitive manner. So you can't really take a decision, even as actors, that they are guilty or they're not guilty.
You know, Kantana, also with a script like this, I think you'd like, I think it's very reassuring to have a cast who's as strong. And you have such amazing actors. I mean, Irfan, you have Neeraj. Even that kind of, I think, strengthens you to play the role better because, isn't it? I mean, half job done.
Absolutely. I mean, you're just as good as your co-actor is, and there's so much give and take there. You're building a scene together. I mean, it's not something you're doing on your own. And whether it's the cast or whether it's the people behind the sets like Meghna, Vishal and his team, Gulzar Saab, etc. All of these guys, you feel reassured that this matter is in the right hands. These people have the sensibility, they have the education, the culture, the sensitivity to actually portray this in the right light without it making it exploitative, without making it sensational, any more than it inherently is.
And I think that also brings me to the very interesting scenario that we are in. I mean, Irfan Khan, I think some years back would be known as this character role forever and just amazing character roles. He's a great actor. He was never called the hero because obviously. But today when you get casted opposite like a Deepika Padukone and you get like Aishwarya Rai Bachchan as your lead, you suddenly are being pitched in that zone because of the few films that you do. So do you think this has really changed, this demarcation of some are actors and some are heroes and the treatment that we talk about?
To me, well, I believe that we have two industries. One is the entertainment industry and one is the actors industry. And I believe in it very strongly. So because the preparations required for the actor is different, the preparations required for the entertainer is very, very different. The entertainer does a very different work altogether. The actor does a very different work. So sometimes if the entertainer wants to do something in this department, he does it. Sometimes when the actor gets this department, they do it. It does not really, I don't see it as something...
But do you think the demarcation still remains? What you're trying to say? There's still the separation that is there?
A separation in the sense in terms of...
the industry, like you said, the actor and the entertainment.
I don't think the industry looks at it like that. I think it's more of people saying, okay, like you just mentioned that somebody's performing with a star now. So, but that demarcation may be with the industry. But I feel personally, if you're asking me this, these are two very, very specific departments and it's just one trying to get into... But to mix the two is very difficult, I feel.
Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Aditya, Zoom Mumbai.
So tell me what's next?
Tick time's up, Tisha.
तुम हमेशा bad news क्यों देती हो आराधना?
तुम कभी time क्यों नहीं देखते हो?
Okay, fine, sorry. But anyway, guys, it's a wrap on the show for today. But all you Bollywood fans out there, stay tuned to Zoom to know the biggest in Bollywood. And we will catch you tomorrow on your favorite Bollywood gossip show with more masti, more entertainment, more gossip at 7.
And for your first dose of fresh beat on updates, tune into Planet Bollywood at 1, only on Zoom. Turn on.
Planet Bollywood.